Hey guys, I'm finally back. Work trip done, and we got some cool stuff already going. Well, we got parts for some cool stuff. So, first of all, let me show you what we got here going on. Finishing up a project we already did. Getting a coat of paint on the custom-made wing nuts. Gonna leave those puppies chrome. But follow me, show you what else we got going on. This is part of the sheet metal brake that's pretty much done. So got some paint. Gonna have to wait for this to dry and finish that side, and then same thing over there. But pretty good color. Couple different outfits make it. We're just using the old standby sail blue. Pretty close. Well, follow me. We're gonna show you the next project, and this is more so to make more room in the garage because I got crap laying everywhere because it's a tiny little thing. So let's don't want to spill my soda. Got ourselves a brake drum off the semi. Couple 3 1-foot sections, a quarter wall square tube, and a 4-foot section of, I can't remember the thickness, I'll have to put a gauge on it. Anyway, this is going to mount on top of that once it's flipped over. I got a 1/4-inch steel plate that I'm going to cut, and then these will telescope or slide inside of there. Sorry about the crappy camera work. But I got a 4x3/4-inch thick plate in the garage. What we're going to do is cut out a ring and just use those pre-existing bolt holes and bolt that plate to that. And then we're going to weld this tube to the plate, bolt it to that brake drum. That thing weighs a crap load. And then what we'll do is we'll take basically like the pin that holds your tow hitch into your pickup or SUV's receiver, and we'll drill a hole in here, and then we're going to drill 2 of those holes in here for a height adjustment. That way I can change the tool mounts out. So what I want to do is I want to be able to put a bench grinder on here, drill press, bandsaw, and that way I can prop it up in the corner. That drum will be heavy enough, including all the weight of the rest of the steel. Put it in the corner, it puts everything in one place, and I can just stand there and use whatever I want to use. The other thing, I haven't figured out if I want to take some square tubing and do a tree branch straight out, like so, then take another piece of tubing and mount it like that, and put a tool there, have a tool there, and have a tool there. Or if I want to go down lower and kind of do like a cactus and just have it as like a storage. But I think I'm going to go this way, like that, just to give you an idea. So already got the steel for it. I need to get that plate out. It's heavy. I'm having some back issues. So the plan is to get to working on that tomorrow. I just got back from a 6-day trip in Wyoming for work. And I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day with the missus and the dog. Have some quality family time. Since she's got to work tomorrow, I can do all this, or get it started anyhow. So we'll show you what we got as soon as we get the plates cut out. So I got to do some measuring, got to dig that plate out, make my cuts. I need to measure that. I believe once you flip that thing over, that mounting ring is 13 inches across, but I'm gonna have to double check that. So that would make center of this opening 6.5. So we'll have to get a paint stick, drill a hole in it at 6.5 inches, and then make a scribe, use a paint pen, whatever, to make our circle in the plate, and then take the plasma cutter and cut it out. Also, I got to get some measurements for the drill press base and the base on the bandsaw. It's not like a standalone bandsaw. I got a Milwaukee Portaband, the corded one. I didn't want a battery powered one because I run DeWalt tools. I had those long before I started this whole journey that I'm on here with welding and metal fabbing. So I actually traded a off-road bumper straight across. Basically it was even money. So I had that bumper for several years, got rid of the truck that it went to, just taking up space. So traded a guy for it, got something I could use out of it, been super happy with it. I would have bought the bandsaw regardless, but what I would eventually like to get is one of those Evolution cold saws. So those things I hear are pretty sweet. A bunch of guys I see using them seem to really love them. I'm tired of burning my fingers. I don't always wear gloves. I probably should, but it is what it is. They say stupid should hurt, so always wear your PPE, personal protective equipment. One thing I do make sure that I wear constantly is a face shield when I'm cutting. So anyway, folks, thanks for joining me this evening, and I guess this is like a little impromptu update. Just wanted to touch base and let you know what we got coming up next. So stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. If you got some advice or design ideas, I'm all ears. Appreciate you.